Supercharge your debate, mastering research and note-taking. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on debate structure and format. Today, we're delving into an essential part of any debate, preparation and research. Specifically, we will focus on organizing and taking notes on research. This skill is not only crucial for debates, but it can significantly boost your understanding and use of the English language. So, let's dive right in. To start, let's underscore why we need to organize and take notes on our research. Being organized helps you present your arguments coherently and convincingly during a debate. It also enables you to recall information quickly, which is vital when counter-arguing points made by your opponent. Now that we understand the importance, let's move on to how to organize our research. There are several techniques, but today we'll cover two widely used ones: outlining and mind mapping. An outline is a hierarchical method of organizing your points and subpoints. Begin with your main argument, and then list your supporting points underneath it. On the other hand, a mind map is a more visual method. Begin with your main argument in the center, then branch out to your supporting points, creating a web of interconnected ideas. This method is great for visual learners. Taking notes is the process of jotting down important information to revisit later. Two popular methods are Cornell note-taking system and scribble method. The Cornell system involves dividing your paper into three sections: cues, notes, and summary. Your main notes go in the largest section, cues or keywords go in a smaller section, and a summary at the bottom. The scribble method is less structured. It involves quickly jotting down as much information as possible, then organizing it later. This is especially useful when you are short on time. Now that we have organized our research and taken notes, it's time for the last step: review and synthesis. This involves going through your notes, understanding them thoroughly, and then distilling them into a form that you can use in your debate. And there you have it. We've covered why it's essential to organize and take notes on your research, methods of organizing research, techniques for effective note-taking, and finally, how to review and synthesize your notes. Remember, practice is key. The more you practice these techniques, the better you'll get at it. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy debating!